Welcome, automotive enthusiasts, to a journey through the intricate world of synthetic engine oils. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 brands that stand as paragons of innovation, performance, and trust. In a market flooded with options, selecting the right synthetic oil is crucial for ensuring your car's optimal performance and longevity. Join us as we navigate through the lubricated landscape and discover the brands that have earned their stripes in the automotive industry. Number 1. World Trade. Our exploration begins with worldtrade.com, a leading B2B marketplace that transcends borders and empowers supply chains globally. Acting as a digital bridge, World Trade connects reputable synthetic oil brands with suppliers and distributors across industries. This platform facilitates efficient trade, ensuring that quality synthetic oils reach diverse markets seamlessly. As a vital link in the automotive lubrication chain, World Trade plays a pivotal role in fostering international connections and trade. Number 2. Pennzoil. Pennzoil takes the lead with its emphasis on cleansing precision, setting them apart in the synthetic oil market. Beyond mere protection, Pennzoil's formulations actively clean the engine, preventing deposits and ensuring long-term engine health. This commitment to precision has earned Pennzoil the trust of drivers seeking not only performance, but also longevity in their engines. Number 3. Mobil 1. Synonymous with cutting-edge technology, Mobil 1 takes center stage in revolutionizing performance. With a rich history of catering to diverse engines, Mobil 1's formulations provide unparalleled protection and performance. This brand stands as a trusted choice for both car enthusiasts and professionals, consistently setting the benchmark for synthetic engine oils. Number 4. Castrol. Castrol's legacy is etched in its unwavering commitment to innovation, fueling excellence in the synthetic oil domain. Engineered to thrive under demanding conditions, Castrol synthetic oils offer remarkable heat resistance and engine cleanliness. This dedication to continuous improvement has solidified Castrol's place among the industry's elite. Number 5. Valvoline. Valvoline masters viscosity, crafting synthetic oils that adapt effortlessly to modern engines' intricate demands. Their range strikes a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency, ensuring engines stay robust and responsive. Valvoline's expertise positions them as the viscous virtuosos of the synthetic oil world. Number 6. AMSOIL. AMSOIL, the American synthetic oil, emerges as a pioneer in the synthetic lubricant industry. Focused on extended drain intervals, AMSOIL's products are designed to withstand high temperatures, resist oxidation, and provide exceptional engine cleanliness. From automotive to marine and power sports applications, AMSOIL leads the way in ensuring an extended lifespan for your engine. Number 7. Redline Oil. California-based Redline Oil establishes itself as a premium brand specializing in high-performance lubricants, particularly for motorsports. Their oils excel under extreme conditions, showcasing a commitment to innovation and continuous improvement. Redline Oil stands as the go-to choice for those seeking top-tier performance in demanding scenarios. Number 8. Royal Purple. Royal Purple takes the spotlight with its focus on performance enhancement, making it the elixir for racing and high-performance applications. The proprietary additive technology gives engines an extra edge, boosting horsepower and overall efficiency. Royal Purple stands as a performance-driven choice for those seeking an extra kick for their engines. Number 9. Liqui Moly. Hailing from the engineering hub of Germany, Liqui Moly steps into the limelight as the German precision in synthetic engine oils. This brand epitomizes meticulous craftsmanship, formulating oils that address the unique needs of diverse engines and driving conditions. Liqui Moly's commitment to precision engineering ensures that each oil blend is tailored to perfection, providing optimal lubrication and protection. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering off-road terrain, Liqui Moly's synthetic oils act as a precision instrument, harmonizing with your engine's intricate components. Number 10. Motul. Our journey concludes with Motul, a French company steeped in motorsports history and industrial lubricants. Motul's expertise in formulating high-performance oils has led to products trusted by racing teams and professional drivers worldwide. Beyond racing, Motul offers a wide range of synthetic lubricants for various applications, solidifying its position as a respected name in the world of synthetic lubricants. There you have it, our comprehensive guide to the top 10 best synthetic oils for cars. From e-world trade empowering supply chains to Motul motorsport legacy, each brand on this list brings something unique to the table. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, happy driving.
Turbocharged engines are known for their power and efficiency, but they also demand more care and attention compared to standard engines. Keeping your turbo engine in good condition not only ensures better performance, but also extends its lifespan. So, how can you protect and extend the life of your turbo? Well, worry not, because today we are going to share the top 6 ways to protect your turbo engine and keep it running smoothly for years to come. Number 1. Warm up your engine before driving. Turbocharged engines need extra care, especially when starting from a cold state. Unlike non-turbo engines, turbos take longer to warm up. When you start your car, let it idle for a few minutes before driving. This warm-up period allows the oil to circulate properly and lubricate the engine components. It helps to prevent excessive wear and tear. In cold weather, the oil can thicken, making it even more crucial to let your engine warm up. By driving gently during the first few minutes, you allow the engine to reach its optimal operating temperature gradually. This practice not only extends the life of your turbo, but also enhances overall performance and reliability. Number 2. Use high-quality oil and change it regularly. Turbo engines operate at higher temperatures and pressures. This means the oil needs to be strong enough to handle these conditions. Always use high-quality oil designed specifically for turbo engines. Check your owner's manual for the recommended type. Changing the oil regularly is crucial too. Old dirty oil loses its ability to protect your engine, which can lead to serious damage over time. Number 3. Choose high-quality fuel. The type of fuel you use can significantly impact the performance and longevity of your turbocharged engine. Turbo engines are designed to work with high-octane fuel, which helps prevent knocking or pre-ignition. Using lower quality or off-brand fuels can lead to engine damage and decreased performance. Always choose fuel that meets or exceeds your car's octane rating requirements as specified by the manufacturer. High-quality fuel ensures proper combustion and helps your engine run more efficiently. Number 4. Allow the turbocharger to cool down. Turbochargers work hard and can get extremely hot, especially if you've been driving fast or towing heavy loads. To protect your turbocharger, let your engine idle for a few minutes before turning it off. This allows the turbo to cool down gradually. If you shut off the engine immediately after a high-performance drive, the rapid cooling can cause damage. So, give your turbo a moment to cool down and help it last longer. Number 5. Avoid over-revving the engine. Turbo engines are powerful, but that doesn't mean you should push them too hard. Over-revving or running the engine at excessively high speeds can cause significant damage. Always adhere to the manufacturer's recommended engine speeds and avoid driving aggressively. Respecting your engine's limits not only keeps it running smoothly, but also prevents costly repairs down the road. Number 6. Keep your engine clean. A clean engine is essential for maintaining the performance and longevity of your turbocharged engine. Dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate in the engine compartment and cause various issues, including overheating and inefficient operation. Regularly clean your engine area to prevent the buildup of harmful particles. Pay special attention to the air filter, as a clogged filter can restrict airflow and negatively impact engine performance. Keeping your engine clean not only helps it run more efficiently, but also prevents potential damage. Regular maintenance and cleaning of your engine compartment ensure that your turbocharged engine operates smoothly and lasts longer. By following these 6 essential tips, you can ensure your turbocharged engine remains in excellent shape. Taking a few simple steps to maintain your engine will not only enhance performance, but also save you from expensive repairs. Keep these tips in mind, and your turbo engine will reward you with reliable power and efficiency for years to come. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.